So let's get to the first one. Let's say you want to fall asleep, but you want your music to be playing till you fall asleep. So you go to your music player of choice, turn on your music, close your music player, go over to your clock app, and go over to timer. Then you select the time. It's probably gonna take you to fall asleep, let's say 20 minutes. Then you go when timer ends, click on that, go all the way down to stop playing, select that, and tap set. Now, when you tap the timer, it's gonna count down, and when the timer ends and rings, it's gonna stop your music. Number 2 is a game changer. Did you ever wanted to know the name of a song playing in a YouTube video, but you couldn't find it in the comment section? You just simply go into your settings, scroll down till you find Control Center. Now you need to find the setting called Music Recognition. You tap on that, add it to the list, and from now on, if you want the name of a song in a YouTube video, you simply scroll down your Control Center, find the little Shazam icon, give it a couple of seconds, and the iPhone will tell you the name of the song. Number 3 is going to help you clean up some of the mess on your phone. So, when Safari is open, you just simply can swipe up from the link of the page upward, and it will open up this selection of the pages you have. Now you can simply press and hold on the page you want to keep, and select close other tabs. It will close all of the other tabs and leave just the one you want open. Number 4 is probably the simplest one on the list, but it helped me probably much more than all of the other ones, especially as a new iPhone user. So you open up the calculator app. You can just type all of your numbers, and if you make a mistake, you could just simply swipe on the number to the right or swipe on the number to the left to remove the last digit. Number 5 is also going to be pretty simple, but it's going to help you declutter your iPhone. So, when you're taking a screenshot of something, let's say I just set up this sick new wallpaper that I want to show off to my friends, right? So, I just screenshot it and take a look at the little thing that pops up on the bottom left. You click on it, but I don't want to save it to my photos library. I only want to send it to my friend. So I click done and then select copy and delete. So when I now open iMessage, for example, I can simply just paste it into the message and it will send over to my friend, and it won't be saved to your photos library. So hopefully you learned something new in this video, and I will see you in the next one.